Hey, lovely friends. Today on the menu, we have a gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, no refined sugars, nut-free, keto, and it's high in protein. It is a red lentil bread pancake, and it's really versatile and so fun to make. I'm Rebekah. This is spiced. Oh, welcome. Okay, let's do this. You can make this savory, you can make it sweet, and it's so simple to make. You only need a couple of ingredients. We're going to get 2 cups of red lentils. And yes, my kids are helping me. And 4 cups of water. And then you let that soak for about 3 hours. So easy. I go to Whole Foods and I get the red lentils, the organic red lentil in bulk. Okay, fast forward 3 hours, and now we're filling this up into our NutriBullet. And you're welcome to use your blender, of course. That's not my best angle. My kids are filming me. So pretty. And then easy peasy, we are going to get that mixture. And I've done this a bunch of different ways. I put it on cookie sheets.
It looks like a house, that one, right?
Yep. And then I've also done it in a cast iron pan like this one, and this gives it some texture, which I like. So when I want it as, a rustic piece, kind of like I do with my Farinata. And if you haven't checked out my chickpea bread, which is also gluten-free and vegan and really yummy, then check out that video as well. I'll put it in the links. So you can put it in here and you want to spread it out and just watch it until those little edges start to bubble. And here come those little bubbles. And then we're going to flip it. I align the pans with either olive oil or coconut oil. In this pan, I used olive oil in the cast iron pan. You're also welcome to do this in a nonstick pan, and you don't need any water. I feel like you have a little bit more control with this pan because you can make it thin. And I feel like the thinner these pancakes are, the better. Wowee! Doesn't that look good? Wow, nicely done. All right. And here it is with some kale and veggies. You have some corn in there and a little dab of hummus. I had it today with guacamole and I toasted it up. I use them as a bread and I also use them as a pancake. So I make them savory and sweet. You can make them more crepeish if you'd like. This I coated with some peanut butter. Super yummy. The thin ones, they came out nice and like really thin. This is the texture from the cookie sheet, so it's more crepe-like. And then you can put them in the pans too and add some maple syrup to them if that's what you like. And they're very easily stored in the freezer, so it's nice to keep a bunch of them. This is another option if you want to just put some fruit on it. You could use honey, put some fruit on it, and then I like to add some yogurt. You get that great bacteria, the acidophilus, and it's something that I grew up on too. My dad used to make French toast and he used to dab yogurt on it, so I really like that. Okay, truth be told, my little one is not a fan of it. She likes the Farinata, and my older one loves it. And I love it, so it's really good for you. The recipe and the links are below. Check it out. I'll also share the Farinata below, so check that out as well. Please comment below, give it a go, and let me know how it goes. Enjoy.